Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. For this one, the single compartment sinks. They come in with the 2 gym board on side. So let's take measurements for the first. This unit is about like a 53.5 inches long. And the overall height of the units will be 43 inches. The depth of the unit is almost about like a 23.5 inches deep. So we can take closer to see the both sizes. This bowl about like 18 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and 12 inches high. For the 2 hole between the central diameters, it's about like 8 inches. And the gym board, it's about like 16 inches wide. Thank you for watching the videos. This is all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.